Today, I'm dropping the ultimate guide on how to negotiate your pay like a pro every single time. Stick around to the end because I'm dropping the hacks that'll help you score top dollar and never get underpaid again. And it's easier than you think. If you find these tips helpful, all I ask is for you to send this to your nurse bestie. So are you wondering why you can never negotiate higher pay in your contracts? Ever start a contract just to find out another nurse is making more money than you, even though you're doing the exact same job? Frustrating, right? And it's happened to me. I just couldn't stop doing contracts at the beginning when I was a travel nurse that I wasn't getting paid less than everyone else. So I did some investigating and I figured out how to prevent this from ever happening again. They're not gonna pull a fast one over us. First, let's get an understanding of where our pay comes from. So a travel nurse company is given a set bill rate. This is the amount of money a hospital gives a staffing agency to find a nurse. This money goes into the cut they take, what goes into your hourly rate, what goes into your tax-free stipend, and reimbursements. So sometimes they can't give you more if you've maxed out your bill rate. But we want to look at our pay breakdown and max out our tax-free stipend. Ask for the minimum hourly rate and the rest of the money to go into your tax-free stipend. So for example, you get a contract and the rate is $40 an hour. Ask for the minimum livable hourly rate in the county that you're working in. So let's say that's $25 an hour. But you can check this on the MIT living wage calculator. So they should be able to move that money from your hourly wage into your tax-free stipend. Next, we're gonna watch the market. Add it to your morning routine after you've done your skincare, you're drinking your coffee, you look at Vivian.com and Wanderly, see what the trends are. What states do you see that usually have the highest paying contracts? What recruitment companies are posting them first? Then you'll know when a contract is a rare find. What's typical? Then ask your recruiter to match the highest pay package for an assignment. They can usually match if it's within the same hospital system and the same floor. All right, so we need to be working with that 3 to 5 travel nurse agencies and compare the take-home packages between the different companies. Who's giving you the most money? Most agencies will match the highest pay. So I've had offers from one travel nurse agency that's offering a take-home of $2,100 a week and another is offering $2,300. The company I'm working with that's offering $2,100 will say, let me see this other company's pay package, and they'll match it if it's the same hospital system and the same floor. Now, this is a hack that I only recently, and it's a big game changer if you like extending. If you're extending your contract, ask for the onboarding fee to be given to you as an extension bonus. It's way cheaper for a recruitment agency to extend you than find a new nurse to fill that position. Next, when you're negotiating pay, you need to come in with evidence of why you're asking for more money. Sound educated. Talk through it with your recruiter over the phone. Have realistic requests. We don't want to ask for $10,000 a week when the position's listed for $4,000 a week, unless you can find another travel nurse agency that is offering that much. But you do want to work with your recruiter and not make it impossible. We are travel nurses and we can negotiate everything, but it's got to be within reason. And remember, all of this is done before you're submitted to the position. Leave a comment below if you scored an amazing contract because of negotiating. Until next time, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.